Hey there, Dr. Mark McCawley here, and I'm going to go through the LANAP treatment video. So this basically shows exactly what we do when you have LANAP performed on you. So what we do is we use a laser. So this is the tip of the laser. It's normally attached to a big machine. But what this laser fiber does is it goes down underneath your gums, around each and every one of these infected teeth. And what it does is it kills all that bacteria there, so it kills all your bad bugs, and it removes any place that those bugs can hide inside your tissue there as well. And because a lot of times you have solidified deposits underneath your gums as well, we can use a different instrument. And what this instrument does is it actually knocks all of those deposits off. So it gets those roots nice and smooth again. So there's no bacteria in your pocket, there's no bacteria sticking to your roots anymore, and then we can actually get rid of all of that infection there. So as long as we can get rid of the source of the infection, then we can actually get you healthy. Then, because we're not done yet, we switch the laser to a different setting. What this setting does is it actually biostimulates your bone, and it creates a nice, tough, vibrant clot. So what that means is it basically forms a really tough, almost like a glue around your teeth right there. So it seals everything up. And that also, that wavelength that we use, it biostimulates your bone to try to get that bone to actually regenerate and regrow as well. So that's how we're able to get such great results with that treatment.